How to fix iPhone screen flickering issue? Well, to fix an iPhone screen flickering, you want to start by first restarting the device, updating your iOS and disabling auto brightness in your accessibility settings. So first thing, quickly press and release your volume up and then volume down. Then press and hold the side button, your power button, until the Apple logo appears, and that way your iPhone will force restart. Right? So the other thing is to go to settings. So head over to settings, and from settings you want to head into general. Under general you want to find the software update option, and if you have any updates available, you want to update your software to the latest version. Also, you want to from settings disable auto brightness. So head over to settings. Once you head into settings, you want to proceed to head into accessibility. Under accessibility, head into display text and size, and here you'll be able to find the option that says auto brightness. You want to toggle that off. So this will fix the issue. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.